Oh, hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, the market is open and we can see that gold has shown good amount of upside after the market opening. Gold rises amid uncertainty over US-China talks. Gold rose about 3260 per ounce on Monday as persistent uncertainty surrounding US-China trade talks supported demand for safe haven assets. As we all know, gold almost touched the high of 3500 because of the trade war tension. But as the market was still little uncertain about the relation between US and China. Okay, so it is saying that gold showed upside, but technically we can see that it failed to cross the resistance of 3260 3270. Means our resistance from Saturday still worked. Those who took a sell around this area, hope you guys made good money. Okay, now you can see that the overall levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. But my dear friends, you can also see some new lines on the chart. Okay, so let me explain one by one. So in the morning, we saw that market after taking support around 325253 area, market has bounced. And those who are part of the Telegram community, hope you guys made some good profit in the morning. Yes, the video is coming late, but in the morning when I got time, I posted in a group that yes, we have a trading opportunity and hope you guys made some good money. If you're still not a part of the Telegram community, then please do join. The link is in the description. You can also scan the QR code, but be careful because there are lots of scams also. Okay, for example, this is a scam, this is also a scam. Okay, only this small group is the official community. Okay, so that now let's discuss about gold. So as I told you guys on Saturday that 3260 3270 is a resistance. Friday also it gave us a good selling opportunity, and we discussed that on Monday also we can expect one good selling opportunity. So the selling opportunity that we discussed on Saturday is gone. Next time we can see market is already going up. Next time there is a possibility that gold may try to go up. Means the resistance of 326070 may no longer work. Why it may no longer work? Because see, already market has shown considerable resistance around this area. We have received plenty of opportunities, and whenever a level becomes common, okay, liquidity also builds up. It's a zero-sum game trading. So obviously market doesn't like common things. You need to be careful. So next time if gold goes up and enters 326070 area, do not take a sell, because the sell that we discussed on Saturday has been okay, it's over. Okay, it's over and we do not have any fresh selling opportunity. I think 326070 is a high risk zone right now. Okay, it's a high risk zone, or you can also say call it as no trading zone. Okay, personally I'm not going to place any positions here. If market breaks during the day, if you see market going above 3275, means once market is out of the range, you can look for a buy position for 50 to 100 pips, because around 3286 we have a resistance. Around 3286 as a day trader we can expect some good selling opportunity. So if market goes up, okay, as a day trader you can look for a selling opportunity around a purple line here, 3286. If you see price is showing rejection from above, then only go for a sell position. But otherwise, if you see that after taking a buy about 3275, market is going up, you can stay on the buy as well. But initially keep your target around 50 to 100 pips. After 50 to 100 pips, if you see further potential, then you can continue. But otherwise you can exit from your buy as well. And around 3286 there is a possibility that we may see some selling opportunity. If you see selling opportunity, then only take a sell. Do not place buy and sell blindly, because we are traders, not gamblers. Okay, there is a thin line between trading and gambling. Do not make the mistake. And my dear friend, you can see if market goes up, then around 3316 3318 we have the another selling opportunity. But let's now focus on this particular portion of the market. But still, if market goes up around 331618 area also, we can look for a sell position. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold if market goes up. Okay, and remember the buy zone around 3200 3196. Yes, that zone is still very much valid. But on Saturday we also discussed about a buy zone around 321015. Remember this zone, okay, that we discussed on Saturday, today is it's also valid. During the day or during the US session, if you see market going down, you can look for a buy around this area. The logic is simple because of previous support. Okay, previous support, good price rejection, we can look for a buy opportunity. Now let's discuss about the new lines here. Okay, so in the morning, okay, when I posted on the Telegram group, okay, I saw the market was beautifully respecting Fibonacci. So the levels that I mentioned in the group, okay, are just Fibo levels here. So around 325253, we have a Fibo 38.2% retracement level. So you can see, my dear friend, around 3247 we have the next Fibo level, which is Fibo 50% retracement level, and around 324142 we have Fibo 61.8% retracement level. Not only we have a Fibo support here, but also the previous resistance will be working as support. So during the day, as a day trader, we can look for a bounce of 60 to 70 pips around this area as well. The chart is choppy. There is no denial. The overall market was bullish. Okay, we know. But I think you guys remember that Saturday we discussed that there is a high chance that gold will be choppy for the next couple of days. So in a choppy market like this, you cannot expect to sit on a position for the next few days. Okay, because if a market is trending, then you can expect to ride the trend of the market. But if a market is sideways, if a market is choppy, then you also need to change your trading style according to the market condition. So here, again, we are back to the 40-50 pips game. So if you see market taking support around 324746 area, hit the buy button. Or if you see market taking support around 324041, you can go for a buy position. You can expect an initial target of 40 to 50 pips. After that, if you see the market has further potential, you can book partial profit and set break even. Okay, and the support of 3200 3210, okay, the levels that we discussed are still very much valid. If you're looking for detailed explanation, you can also watch the video from Saturday as well. Okay, and now let's wait and watch. The market is just open. If things change drastically during the US session, I will update on the Telegram community again. So please join the Telegram community for the updates. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. And chart is little bit messy right now, so the levels are also a little bit messy. Sorry if I made you confused, because we don't get a clean market always. Okay, that's it. Bye bye, take care.